Tell me, why is it every time I come to Bunnings, I end up in the tool shop? This is like the express priority service.
Just about.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Cheers, thank you. We love Bunnings.
Are we going to get this car?
What do you think of the purchase?
Bang.
Today, my bike needs new brake pads. These ones are well and truly past their use by date. How's that workplace health and safety going there, boys?
Right.
Starting to put scrapes on the rim just here, fully down to the metal. So that's it, today's mission, to go and get brake pads.
Everything that happens is motivated.
I've had my bike for about 10 years now. If it ain't broke, you don't need to replace it. Sure, I mean, I could go and spend, a couple of $1,000s on a new bike, but to me, that's crazy money. All of the kids in the neighborhood used to bring their bikes to me to fix it. I was kind of known as the guy in the neighborhood that fixed the other kids' bikes. So this is the rear entrance to the bike shop. There's hardly anybody that enters the bike shop from out here. I've never really understood the whole lycra-clad thing. I mean, I'm just a bloke that likes to ride a bike. I just don't like cycling on the roads. I don't think you need to be lycra-clad, worry about, rules of the road and all that. Ride on the footpath and stay safe, it's much easier.
Wow, these are warm.
I like to get the most wear out of my brake pads. Should get me out of trouble. These are the ones.
Enjoy.
See ya. Got me brake pads. Oh, good. Seriously, why would I get somebody else to fit these for me? It's just easier to do this yourself.